Hey Aphrodisiacs, it's me Khadijah. So if you're new to the channel, then please hit that subscribe button, join the family, and if you're already subscribed, then welcome back. Alright you guys, so it's always something. As you can see from this title, you guys, I made a mistake and kind of jacked up my scalp, and now I'm trying to repair things, fix things quickly. If you're new, then welcome. I have fine high porosity hair and I have been on a growth journey, okay? And can we just like take a moment to appreciate, at least, although my scalp is jacked up right now, at least my hair is looking right, okay? I'm very grateful for that. I want to say about 2 to 3 months ago, I started incorporating a growth oil, or a different growth oil, into my routine and my regimen. I've been using growth oils, different ones, for years now. I can't even tell you like when I first started. It's been so long. This is the one I had been using. It is the Bloom Super Potent Healthy Hair Growth Oil by Soultanicals, if I didn't mention that. So this oil was mentioned in my top products for high porosity hair series that I just did when I talked about my top oils. I do really enjoy this oil. I think it's a phenomenal oil. I'm just questioning whether it's right for me and what I need it for. As they say on the title and also in the description, it's a super potent oil, okay? It has a bunch of different oils in here. It's a powerhouse for hair growth. Now, let me tell you what I did wrong. Initially, because this has a nozzle, I just applied it directly to my scalp like how I would any other hair growth oil. I pre-poo my hair overnight using one oil on my scalp. Right now it's this one, or it was this one, and then I usually always stick with unrefined coconut oil for the length of my hair. So I would use this for my overnight pre-poo, leave it on for at least 8 hours, go ahead with the wash day process the following day. And then before I would style my hair, I have gotten back into oiling my scalp. So I would take a few drops of this and massage it into my scalp after wash day. And then midweek, like day 3, I refresh my hair, which just means like I either rebraid, retwist my hair, something like that. And I would use this on my scalp. So technically, I was using this oil 3 times a week, and that is a lot. It says on the packaging to use sparingly, but I will say I did not take into account the instructions because I just thought, oh, this is a hair growth oil like any other and I'll be just fine. I started noticing a lot of shedding with my hair. Typically my shedding is like very minimal, nothing with like excessive hair fall. I noticed it, of course, and I became very concerned. So took a step back, read the instructions, and was like, okay, I have been using this way wrong. I need to do things differently here. Instead of using the nozzle to apply this, I have been putting it on my palm, like how it says, a few drops. I get a few extra drops and focus them on my weaker areas or areas that grow a little slower. So I changed that, and then also instead of using this after wash day to oil my scalp and midweek to oil my scalp, I decided to use the She Sensei Okra Hair Repair Scalp Stimulating Growth Oil. Disregarding the fact that it does say growth oil on it and that this is also a growth oil, I'm still noticing shedding. It has reduced a little bit from what I noticed initially, but it's still alarming because at this point now we're like 2 months, 3 months into using the oil and I'm still seeing the shedding. Every single wash day is excessive shedding. Throughout the entire wash day process is excessive shedding, which to me is crazy because how is my hair still shedding and I'm like onto styling now. Just to add to that, my favorite top shampoo that I've been using and loving for a while now, it's the Crow Origin Marula and Quinoa Uplifting Shampoo. It has a lot of extracts in it. It's mild, it's creamy, moisturizing but cleansing, not stripping. This product, I realized, has mentha extract, which is peppermint. So everything is coming together now and I'm like, okay, I've been using this shampoo, which I've been using this forever, even before the oils, but I've been using this shampoo. It has mentha in it. Then I'm using this oil, which also has peppermint, and this oil, which has peppermint. All of these different scalp stimulating oils and ingredients, and my scalp is just overstimulated, and that's why I'm getting the excessive shedding. Right now, what I'm doing right now, I've temporarily stopped both of these growth oils. My scalp needs a break, and what always soothes my scalp after any type of irritation or what have you, which my scalp is not really irritated, like I haven't experienced any pain or discomfort in my scalp, but just the excessive shedding, is extra virgin olive oil. And it's moisturizing, it's nourishing, and it just does the trick to bring my scalp back to its baseline. So I want to say for about 1 or 2 months, I'm going to lay low on these oils. I'm not going to be using them, and hopefully that will help to stabilize my scalp. In 1 to 2 months, I will check in with you guys. I'll either do a community tab post or a video. I don't know what I'll do yet, but I do want to follow up just to let you know how my scalp has been doing. And moving forward from there, I'll kind of decide if I want to reintroduce either of these oils back into my regimen and my routine. Individually, great products. Do not use them together like how I did. I will also leave some notes on my recent videos where I kind of shared my routine, explain things that I'm not following that exact routine because of what happened, just so that nobody follows that and also experiences the excessive shedding. I want to say what I know about both of these oils using them is that the bloom, as they say, is super potent, and I just don't know if this is suited for just like growing your hair. If you're kind of already able to grow your hair and things are going fine, you just kind of want things to like be a little bit more rapid, and you want for your hair to be like full and healthy when it's coming in. I kind of see this maybe being better if you're noticing a lot of thinning already or balding in certain areas, and you have scalp issues, and maybe you're really trying to regrow your hair, like starting from point A and trying to get to point B. As where this one, the She Scented, is more moderate, it's more gentle, it still has those scalp stimulating oils, but it's not nearly as potent as the Soultanicals. So I'm thinking that I might pick this one back up in about 2 months and use this one, but I will let you guys know what I decide in my next update. So that is it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, let me know if you've tried either of these oils or if something similar has happened to you. How did you overcome it? Feel free to share this video, and of course subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.